Now let us see the casting alloy. So casting aluminum alloy, how we designated. This is designated with 3 digits with 1 decimal. The cast alloy designation system is based on a 3 digit plus 1 decimal designation, like that we have. So 356.0. So like this is one example. The first digit indicates that same similar to that one, principal alloying element which has been added to the aluminum. The second and third digit are the arbitrary numbers given to identify a specific alloy in that series. So here you don't have the second digit, how many times it is modified. However, it is made by the cast iron, that's why there is a modification for that one. So next one is the number following the decimal point indicates whether it is whether the alloy is a casting or ingot. What do you mean by the ingot? Ingot already you have seen. I also told what is the ingot. Freshly, which is taken from the steel industries or aluminum. First of all, if you see the aluminum industry, where the from the bauxite. Listen to me. From the bauxite, aluminum is extracted through the chemical purification and electrolysis process. That is called as ingot, which is got from the bauxite. So that is one. So so if you see if it is represented with 0, the component is made by the casting process. Component made by the casting process. So like that, these two cast alloys are designated. A capital letter prefix indicates the modification to a specific alloy. So here that modification previously second digit, here that is represented with A. See this one, an example of aluminum alloy A350. The capital A indicates that modification of alloy. 3 is indicates that principal alloying element. So remaining thing is 3 is what, silicon plus copper or magnesium is added to that one. 5, 6 represent the identification of the alloy in that series, in the 3 series, and 0 represent that this is made by the casting process, not the ingot material. So like that we can designate the cast aluminum alloys. Okay, now let us see the application properties and application of the aluminum wrought alloys, 1 series, 2 series, 3 series. So like that we can these all the series of aluminum wrought aluminum alloys, cast aluminum alloys with their percentages and applications we see here. The series, one series alloy, this series is often referred to as the pure aluminum series. So just before starting itself we have seen 99% up to 99.5% of maximum amount, 99.5% of aluminum where we have. These alloys selected primarily for their based on their superior corrosion resistance, such as in specialized chemical tanks and piping they used. So that is for electrical applications in the generally in the chemical industries, chemical inactive metals we have to use. Such cases we are using this aluminum. In the piping also, when you want to transfer the chemicals from one place to another place through the pipes, we are transferring, that is we are pumping the chemical liquids to avoid the chemical reaction with the pipes. The pipes are made with the aluminum. Next, they are good, excellent electrical conductivity when they made in bar, so bar shape, so just like wires. So 2 series alloys, aluminum in this one, copper is the main principal alloying element, added 0.7 to 6.8%. Based on the amount of this one, so you have the next series, next 2 digits. So they have high strength, high performance alloys that are frequently used for aerospace and aircraft application due to because they have excellent strength over a wide range of temperatures. So first one is weight is less and easily we can easily we can fabricate. That's why they are used in such applications. Next one is 3 series. If you say these are the aluminum, so you may think that aluminum is having low melting point. When the alloying elements are used, added to that one, its melting point is also increased. So 3 series alloys, if you say these are the aluminum, magnesium alloys. So that is to the aluminum, magnesium is added. So magnesium added from 0.05 to 1.8%, and they are they have moderate strength, have good corrosion resistance, good formability, and easily we can deform that one. These are suited for use at elevated temperatures. These 3 series. So one of their first uses was pot and pans, and they are the major components today used in the heat exchangers in the vehicles and power plants. So this is about the 3 series. Next remaining things you see 4 series alloys. These are the aluminum silicon alloy. Means here principal alloying element is silicon, where the silicon is added 0.6 to 21%. Silicon is added up to 21%. Silicon, when added to the aluminum, it reduces its melting point and improves its fluidity. Fluidity means so narrow section castings can be made. So when just like water, they can move through the narrow sections also. That is called as fluidity. These characteristics are desirable for filler materials used in the welding and brazing applications. So we know the soldering and brazing. These are the solid plus liquid state welding. So such cases 4 series alloys are being used. Next one is 5 series. In that one, main alloying element is magnesium added to the aluminum up to, that is 0.2 to 6.2%. They have good high strength. So in addition, these alloy series is readily weldable. So that is in welding applications. So we can use this series material as filler material, as electrode. For these reasons, they are used for wide variety of applications such as shipbuilding, transportation, pressure vessels, bridges, and buildings. Only for welding applications to weld that one, as they have good strength. These 5 series alloys are used, aluminum alloys are used in welding applications as the filler material, just like you can say that one as electrode. Okay, next 6 series, if you see, where the main alloying elements are magnesium and silicon added to this one. So these are around 1%. So that is 1%. This is 1% are added. These are widely these are widely used in the welding fabrication industry. This one also similar to the 5 series. Addition of the magnesium and silicon to this aluminum, it produces a compound of magnesium silicide, which provides this material. It's able to become solution heat treated for improved strength. So what is happening here, when this silicon magnesium added to the aluminum, one compound of magnesium silicide means it is combined with aluminum. So like that, these 6 series aluminum alloys are used. Next one, if you see the 7 series aluminum alloys, where zinc is the principal alloying element added to the aluminum. This is added to, that is percentage of aluminum in 7 series are 0.8 to 12%, and comprise some of the highest strength aluminum alloys. Okay, these alloys are frequently used in high performance applications such as aircraft, aerospace, and competitive sporting equipment. So in the making of equipment of which are used in the sports, the 7 series alloys are used. So like that, we have the wrought aluminum alloys. So now let us see the aluminum. This is aluminum cast alloys or cast aluminum alloys. So these are the designated with 3 digits with 1 decimal point. So first one is 1 second. Right. So here we see 1 second. Already here we have seen the cost designation of that one. Now let us see different types of cast aluminum alloys with properties and applications. First one series, however, this is that is pure aluminum. Next series, if we say 2 series, where these are the heat treatable and high strength, low corrosion resistance, low fluidity, and low ductility. So no way that you have to by heart this one. So one thing I will tell you, in all these alloys you have 4 to 5 common properties. So keep remembering all the properties are difficult to anybody else, even to me also, because I have the PPT, I am reading this one. Even to me also this is difficult to remind all the properties. So for you easy thing I will tell you, because you have to write the exam, 4 to 5 properties are same, that you keep in mind, remind, and because you present those things. For all the things you can write, they have good corrosion resistance, thermal conductivity, and they appear in good color. These kind of properties are same to all aluminum alloys. So for these three, add 2 or 3, that's all. Okay. So next one, if we say application of the 2 series, cylinder heads in the automobile industry, and aircraft in the cylinder heads for the automotive, this automobile engines, aircraft engines, pistons for diesel engines, exhausting system parts which are made with the 2 series alloys. Next one, 3 series, they are also heat treatable, have high strength. See similar properties: high strength, low ductility, good wear resistance, decreased corrosion resistance. Because here copper is added, so when the copper and ferrous added to these aluminiums, their corrosion resistance will be reduced. But okay, they have good fluidity and good machinability, which are used in the automotive, making of automotive cylinder blocks and heads, car wheels, aircraft fittings, casting, and other parts of compressors and pumps are made with 3 series aluminum cast alloys. Next one, 4 series. This is aluminum silicon cast alloy, means silicon is added to the aluminum. They are non-heat treatable. Previous one is 2 are heat treatable. These are the non-heat treatable. So they have moderate strength, moderate ductility, good wear resistance, very good cast properties, and good corrosion resistance, which are used in the pump castings, thin wall castings, cookware. So now next one, 5 series, if we say aluminum magnesium. So magnesium is the main alloying element in this series. They are non-heat treatable, having good high corrosion resistance, good machinability, good appearance. Appearance common, okay. Good appearance when ionized, moderate cast properties. So this is about the 5 series. Sand cast parts are made. This is the application of that one. So next 7 series, if we say, they are in that one, zinc is the main alloying element. They are heat treatable, good dimensional stability during the manufacturing process like casting, and good corrosion resistance, poor cast properties, and good machinability. Okay, this is about the zinc aluminum zinc cast alloy 7 series. Next one is 8 series. They are where the alloying element is tin. They are non-heat treatable, having low strength and very good wear resistance and machinability. Application is this monometal, which are used monometal used in, and bimetal side bearings for internal combustion engines and other slide bearing applications. We use the 8 series aluminum alloys. So these are about the different types of aluminum alloys, their properties, chemical composition, properties, and applications we discuss.